There it is. Let's hit the button. Confirm app release. If you're ready to release your app and make it available to customers immediately, type the phrase "release my app" into the box. All right, I've done that. I believe clicking now will release the game. So, big red button, pressed. Loading. Still loading. I know, it's showing me a little animated spinner thing. Oh man, all publishing tasks have been completed. Your application is now visible on the Steam store. It may take up to 10 minutes for your project to appear in lists. You can view your store page immediately following the link below. Let's see it. GHPC is already in your Steam library. Yeah, do you guys see? Yep, there it is. Yeah, for updating us. Okay.